Greetings, everyone. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg, and welcome to your Palm Desert, California real estate market update as of April 5th, 2025. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Palm Desert is $797,000. The median price of new listings has risen to $875,000, while the price per square foot currently stands at $370. Now, let's take a look at the market activity. Homes are spending an average of 87 days on the market, with the median days on market at 53 days. About 48% of listings have seen a price decrease, while 1% of homes have experienced a price increase. Additionally, 15% of properties have been relisted. One important factor to highlight is inventory, which has now increased to 386 active listings. Next, let's talk about the Market Action Index. This is a key indicator that helps us understand whether we're in a buyer's or seller's market. Today, the index stands at 32, indicating a slight seller's advantage. This is about the same as last month's index, which also sat at 32. The market has started to cool and prices have remained relatively flat over the past several weeks. Since we're still in a seller's zone, it's crucial to keep an eye on the Market Action Index. If the index begins to climb, prices will likely follow upward. However, if the index drops consistently and moves into the buyer's zone, we may see some downward pressure on pricing. Now, if you're buying or selling, here's what you need to know. For buyers, finding the right home is about more than just square footage. It's about lifestyle, location, and long-term goals. I offer exclusive access to off-market properties and leverage eXp Realty's global network of over 90,000 agents. As part of eXp's luxury division, I use cutting-edge tools to find opportunities you won't find anywhere else. My goal is to help you secure the perfect home with confidence and ease. For sellers, your home deserves maximum exposure. Our luxury marketing includes placement on 80 international real estate websites, luxury placements in the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, Unique Homes, DuPont Registry, and Forbes Global Properties. And we feature your property with professional twilight and drone photography, plus a dedicated property website. Targeted advertising ensures your listing reaches the right buyers, locally and globally, attracting serious interest and top-dollar offers. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, I offer expert negotiation, seamless transactions, and personalized service to make your transition effortless. That's your Palm Desert, California real estate market update. If you're thinking about buying or selling, this is the time to stay informed and strategize. Contact me at Helma at helmabloomberg.com or call me at 760-636-3105 for the California Desert or 805-450-6006 for Santa Barbara and its surrounding horse and wine country. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media for more insights, tips, and updates on the luxury real estate market. Thank you for watching.